Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding security questions to your PS4 account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you ever get locked out of your PlayStation account because you forgot your password or email, having security questions set up can help you get access to your account quicker. From the main dashboard of your PS4, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Account Management. In Account Management, select Account Information. Now select Security. Click Security Question and answer. You can now select your security question or even write your own. On the next page, give the answer to your question. Click Confirm once done. You may need to enter your PSN password to continue. Once you have done that, your security question will be set up for your PS4 account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.